Alright, so boom, Sloppy Ride is back on our video. Sloppy AC.
Hi.
We've got really hard. One Sloppy XT. We've got Victor, he's in our crew now. And we've got Alan as well on the SE.
We got Trent, we got Kiane, but they're just little cunts.
Yeah, but they're don't say that.
Love you, Kiane.
But they're out today. Well, yeah, we're just practicing like yesterday, but today we're gonna go try to find some new spots because we got kicked out of most of every single spots that we went to. So
if I have no needle in here, how am I actually gonna get?
So yeah, we're just gonna cut to some clips of everyone training, and then we might do some street work on the way to the new spots. So yeah, let's get to it.
Oh, they.
Yesterday I actually kind of almost landed most of my discipline as well. Well, off camera I landed more than on camera still, so I'm gonna try it now, innit? But clips, not long videos, clips. There we go. Oh. Well yeah. So death spins. Now go behind the cone and make sure you get the cone on like in the image as well. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna just do a little swerve. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah. Like get them at every single time. So now it's just get even crazy at doing them. Well, I wouldn't class them as crazy. I'll class them as mastering them. Lucas is trying to death spin as well, but you can see.
He's not trying.
No. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep on practicing, innit? Yeah, you can cut it. Alright, so boom, security guard came and he told us to go. So we're gonna go. I'm gonna go to a new spot. This way, this way. Oh, this way, this way. One that we're not gonna get kicked out for sure. But yeah, we're gonna mash our street work and then we'll link you over there. Alright, so boom, we're here. This is the new spot. And the crew. We've got it over there on that one as well, but you can't really see it. But yeah, we're gonna mash some work here.
I caught. Oh. Okay, Luke. Yeah. Oh, okay.
Almost touched it. Yeah, the wind. That's only promising. Oh shit.
360 fucking miles.
Oh, almost done 2!
Can't wait.
Oh.
Come on, lad. Lad! Oh. No, look. Pedal.
He's trying to do a one hand, so he's gonna try one hand now, isn't
He's gonna die.
he? Can't even swerve forward. Go up there!
Yes, because the wind is going.
Ah, right by my eye! Oh, yes! You got it!
Oh, never mind.
I don't know why. Oh, just like no hand is. Oh! Oh, almost.
Yeah, I did.
He's so concentrated, he's just like... So concentrated.
You know, some of this is going to be in fast speed, isn't it? I'm not waiting this long. Oh, almost! Oh. Thank you. You got bad shit. You see how shook he got? He got behind his mum. He was like, Mum, take it. No, he was like, Mum, you're taking it.
I was doing a sick wheelie and he just died.
Yeah, I know.
What the hell? Does he not know how to? Yeah. Get this.
Yeah.
I like doing street work now. Street work is better. What?
Yeah. Yeah. Let's go into a park.
Yo! Yeah, we'll go up that hill. Yeah.
And then hill bomb it.
And then we'll hill bomb all the way down. I did this before I ran. This is hard. Yeah, all the way up. Back. Where me, you, Jack, everyone else. That massive hill bomb.
Cyclists, please dismount.
Fuck.
Aye, we gotta get up the hill quick and bomb it.
Not bomb that hill. Bomb like go through that little gate and then go bomb that.
Oh, that hill over there. Oh,
all the way
okay.
down.
Yeah, we can do.
Fuck the
Let's
brakes.
go then.
Oh shit! Wait. Rick gotta do this.
Oh, he's gonna try hand
Fuck the
it.
brakes. Fuck the brakes. Tap.
Ah.
Oh, close. Fuck the brakes.
So we're all gonna bomb this hill. Aye, it doesn't look that small, yeah, but look. That's a lady down there.
Yeah, fuck this.
Yeah, you can go down if you want to. I'm going down this way. This looks sick. That baby needs to move though. That baby needs to move.
Excuse me. Can you?
That's just moving.
He's fucking gonna send it. Needs to go on. Second person? Yeah, yeah. Go on, Riyadh. Go on. Go on.
Yeah! Don't use the brake!
It's you. Oi, Alan, it's you next. It's you, fam.
Yeah, I'm going down that way, isn't it?
Look at my grip, what happened. My grip was here. Oi,
Oh.
Come on.
Oh. Wait. Oh. Oh.
These schmucks, yeah, just got fucking up there. Let's zoom in.
Look how high this is though.
Yeah, this is actually bare high.
Should we try to bring our bikes and go down there? Yeah?
And then we're there.
Getting down.
And they're finna try to get down. Look how much is falling down. You crazy, you crazy mans. I'm too small, so I can't get up there. Come on, Rehan.
We're just gonna sit down.
Alright, so we're gonna catch you guys later. We're gonna go to a different spot.
Alright, so boom, that last clip you just saw there, yeah, was actually like a long time ago. Like always, we always forget to like film whenever we like depart from people. But anyway, I actually hurt my leg pretty bad still. Like,
Yeah, same.
not as bad as me, bro. Don't even try. And my back as well. I tried to foot stand, and I actually landed on my handlebars, but it's cool.
Not
But
really.
it is because I put some ice on it. It's got a bit better, and it feels
Can I
better.
punch it?
No, it feels better when I walk in it. So, but yeah. Today was just like more of a practice video. As you saw, I've done bare death spins. Like I tried to master them, and every single time the camera's off was like, oh yeah, I almost landed 2. I need to get that video off that guy. I landed 2. I went around and then another one again, which was 6. So yeah, but I guess it's been another video. And tomorrow we might be riding, we might not be because it's actually raining. Hopefully the weather changes, innit?
Hola, Minho.
It doesn't stop with that, man. Yeah, but peace.